24th to 25th of this month. In a sudden political development, the Executive Committee led by CM Titos-Led in the Khadc lost the vote of no confidence motion on the first day of the Council's summer session here on Monday. NPP MDC Bajau Pingrop moved the no confidence motion by alleging that Khan was taking all the decisions on his own without consulting the members of the Executive Committee. The no confidence motion moved by Pingrop has the support of 17 MDCs, including 6 from the Congress, while 13 of the MDCs did not support the motion. In his reply, Khan said that he did not expect an NC to be moved against him, since he has tried his best to carry everyone along, even as he added that he was backstabbed by his own friends. Meanwhile, NPP MDC Pinyat Singh's aim is all set to be elected as the new CM of Khadc unopposed.
Kung makapal na ka content yung ka NC mentan, banong mobile yung ka NC, kapawi ba ki INC daladi aladi. Mo, namabalay kung makalakran po house, kamdan ganuno ka allegation, kamdan ganuno rim, kamdan ganuno kidaw, rekadaw along ba ka convenient of politics, hakaba kaladon ka arrangement, hakaba kinkenjat no ingi, but bakini train no bat ka Congress, but baka NPP can lead yaka isi yang ni.
Soon after, Executive Committee led by CM Titos